How TED made $58,000 plus more after purchasing NinjaLeads. Nifty tool that generates leads instantly within minutes. Every marketer dreams about this tool. Simple, easy 3-step process. Create lead magnet pages that convert. Export leads with a click of a button. Insert advertisement. Sell products and damp. Receive payment on PayPal. You need a simple way to generate massive amount of leads. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Get ready to meet your lead generation monster. Log in to your account and damp. Set store name. Import demo products and damp. Or add your own products. Share your lead magnet link. The best lead generating magnet. Collect name, email, phone number and etc. Export leads. Insert advertisement. Sell product. Receive payments. Automate the entire process. With NinjaLeads you will be able to capture leads like never before. Instantly find verify fresh leads. Present your freebies on a storefront. Export leads with a click of a button. Insert advertisement. Sell products and damp. Receive payment on PayPal. 3 steps to get started. Step 1. Log in to your account and damp. Set store name. Log into your account. Set a store name. Get a custom URL for your storefront. Step 2. Import demo products and damp. Or add your own products. Import for free products. Add your own products. Make your products free or charge $$ for them. Step 3. Share your lead magnet link. Share your URL however you would like. Run Facebook ads. Add URL to email signature. Done. Single quote. Lose sleep on how to generate leads. Easy 3-step process. Create lead management pages that convert. Export leads with a click of a button. Insert advertisement. Sell products and damp. Receive payment on PayPal. Features you will love. Export leads with a click. You will be able to see all the leads and damp. Export CSV with one click anytime. No limitation on # of leads. Put ads on your page for extra money. Add AdSense ad codes, or your own ad costs to earn extra income from your lead magnet store. Sell products and damp. Receive payments on PayPal. A lot of our customers are also using Access 123 as their digital store where they sell products and damp. Receive 100% of payment on their PayPal. Risk-free investment minus 30 days money back. How can I generate leads using NinjaLeads? Freebies. Give our free products and collect their name, email and more. Exclusive content. Add some of your best exclusive content and let people access it for free or a fee. Sell products. NinjaLeads also allows you to sell products and services and deliver them automatically after payment. Resources. Add best resources for your prospects and share it with them. They will instantly grab them and you will get the leads. Email signature. Add a link to your store on your email and watch people go crazy when you provide them with valuable tools and resources. Share on social media. You can even put NinjaLeads link on your business FB pages, IG etc. so people go there when they are looking to do business with you. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.